Bruno Mars is a great singer, he's a great dancer, he's a great songwriter, he's great at playing guitar, but is he a great writer? Yes. So for some background, Bruno Mars told Rolling Stone his duo Silk Sonic would not submit their album An Evening with Silk Sonic for the Grammys, because apparently Bruno has won far too many Grammy awards in the past, so winning more awards might cause him trouble. I'm not saying I'm a Bruno Mars fan or a hater, I'm only analyzing the quality of writing, and you are not allowed to get mad. A lot of people get mad at some of my videos, but you are not allowed to get mad. So some notes. I copied his statement into this presentation so we can analyze it. There's a link down in the description below, and at the end of this video I will issue a score. So why would you listen to me? My name is Michael Camo, and I've written tweets, love letters, press releases, apologies, books, online dating ads, everything you can imagine, and I've been cited by all these places. If you want to really look at the screen, you can pause it, but let's get on. It starts with, we truly put our all on this record, but Silk Sonic would like to gracefully, humbly, and most importantly, sexually bow out of submitting our album this year. So this is a great way to start because he's letting the world know he's not taking this whole thing too seriously. He's also letting us know he's kind of above the fray. The Grammys aren't a big deal to him, and so he can turn this just into a joke. Moving on, we hope we can celebrate with everyone on a great year of music and partake in the party. Thank you for letting Silk Sonic thrive. So he's making a point of not being adversarial. He's not talking about critics. He's not talking about haters. He's not talking about any of that stuff. In fact, he's kind of paying tribute to the industry by saying it's been a great year of music, and he's showing appreciation for the fans in letting Silk Sonic thrive. Let's keep going. Andy and I and everyone that worked on this project won the moment the world responded to Leave the Door Open. Everything else was just icing on the cake. And this is a great tribute to fans that supported Silk Sonic. And in a way, he's also reminding us the album actually was awesome. And that's kind of a common theme here. He's sort of hinting that he could have won the Grammys if he wanted to. So let's keep going. We thank the Grammys for allowing us to perform on their platform, not once but twice, and awarding us at last year's ceremony. We'd be crazy to ask for anything more. Thank you to everyone that supported this project and championed it. Bruno gives us a little reminder again that he could have won this year, but he also shows gratitude. So this is kind of like an interesting humble brag if you really think about it, because he's pointing out, yeah, we won last year, we performed twice, so we really are a big deal, but at the same time, he shows gratitude. So he's walking this fine line really, really well. So what did Bruno do wrong? I think he should have released a statement on Twitter or Instagram just because it would have been easier to read and also would have been accessible to everyone, because Rolling Stone has a paywall, so not everyone can read the article. I mean, I think I got it on my phone or something, but for some reason I couldn't get it on my desktop. So that was a little annoying because I think this was a really effective statement and it should have been out to the world everywhere so everyone could read it because I think it was so funny. Now let's talk about what Bruno did right. Well, he let us know he could have won some Grammys if he wanted to. At the same time, he showed gratitude towards his fans. So this whole thing is kind of funny because it's the ultimate humble brag, because he's saying, oh yeah, we're so honored to have this industry experience and we love our fans and blah, blah, blah. But he's also saying, yeah, we could have won if we wanted to. He also showed he's not taking this whole thing too seriously, and he turned not winning Grammys into publicity, because imagine if the award show went on and Silk Sonic didn't win anything. This is way better, because if Silk Sonic just didn't win any awards, nobody would be talking about Silk Sonic. They'd be talking about whoever won. This way, it's guaranteed publicity. And remember, he can also come back like next year or the year after and say, yeah, we're back. We want to get our Grammys. So this whole thing was just awesome from start to finish. So to whoever worked on this, A+. Great job. You should be really proud of yourself. Bruno, if somebody did this for you, you should give them a big bonus because this was really, really well done. Okay, final score. I'll just leave the screen blank for a second so you can think about it. I am going to give Bruno Mars 91 out of 100, which puts him up there with great writers like Shia LaBeouf and Prince William. So again, fantastic. Great job. Guys, if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. I have more of these videos coming soon. I'll talk to you later. Bye.